Hey, what's going on everyone? I am Chase, a Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the Billet Radiator Guards from Tusk. All right, so today we're talking to you KTM, Husqvarna, and GasGas owners. If you have one of those bikes and you're looking to increase the durability and the strength of your radiators, you've got to pick up some of these Tusk Radiator Guards. These are made from a super high quality aluminum. It's a 6061 T6 billet. You've got two colorways available, anodized orange as well as a black option. And what's great about these is how easy they mount. You just take your OEM louver off and then you just utilize the same locations and hardware to get these installed. So very simple to do that. And once you have it mounted up, you will increase your durability and strength. So it's going to be great for frontal impacts as well as side to side. I'm sure a lot of you, including myself, I've done it before. Where I'm out riding, I have something as simple as a tip over and I get up to look that my radiator is bent, and in some cases it's damaged beyond repair. You have to get a new one on there. So these will save you some grief down the road. And I also like too that having that aluminum in the front, if you have rocks flying at you, you don't want to have your radiator fins damaged there as well, because that can compromise how well it can help with cooling. So it just gives great protection all around. There's a lot of cutouts here on the front to help get as much airflow passing through as possible. And also what's great about these is that since they mount right up to the front of the radiator, it leaves the backside completely open, so you can still use these with a Radiator Fan Kit. I've got our Tusk digital fan kit up here on the table. These are awesome. We have a how-to video that shows you step-by-step how to get one of those mounted up. But if you want to keep your temps down while you're riding, you definitely want to look into those. But in any case, awesome accessory to have. Again, just increasing the strength and durability of your radiators. If you do have questions or comments, we'd like to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. Now, the last thing that I will mention is that for some bikes, there might be some slight trimming on the inside of the shroud. But apart from that, like I mentioned earlier, install very easy. To grab yours today, click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. When you're on the product page, just enter the year, make, and model of your bike to ensure that you do get the proper fitment. These are going to ship for free because all orders over $75 do. And as always, if you want to always stay up to date and know when the latest and greatest from Tusk and other companies are coming out, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and hit that notification bell and do not miss out. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.